people at Rockerz 450T Rebel Edition Bluetooth headphones with up 15 hours playback, 14 drivers and padded ear cushions aqua blue. The headphones comes in color options of luscious black, aqua blue, and white purity, black star, stark red, and hazel beige. It comes with immersive HD audio, superior playback time and built-in mic, access voice assistant. It has water-resistant, no and best user experience with its comfortable padded ear cushions and lightweight design. It comes with massive battery backup of Upto. It also features 40mm dynamic drivers and tap-into instant wireless connectivity with optimum Bluetooth v4.2 connectivity. The delivery box contains Rockerz 450 and charging cable, user manual and warranty card. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Aqua Blue Boat Rockerz 450 Bluetooth wireless on-ear headphone with microphone. It is also available in colors like luscious black and hazel beige. The box contains the headphones, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. They come in a size of 8 into 18.2 into 17.6 centimeters and weigh 168 grams. The ergonomically designed ear cups of these on-ear headphones are adaptive and foldable, while the lightweight ear cushions are padded for extra comfort. The 40mm dynamic drivers provide HD sound, and Bluetooth 4.2 and aux connectivity ensures smooth connection. These headphones are compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows. They offer a non-stop playback of up to 15 hours on a single charge. These are enabled with a built-in microphone and a single-press voice assistant, and can be used for gaming as well as work. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.